Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this spider web skull makeup look. For this look, I wanted to create a spider web that was in the shape of a skull. For this look, I'm using a Mehron black face paint. And here I'm sketching out the skull elements first to make sure that they will fit. So I'm creating a rounded shape around the eyes. Then a cutout for the nose. Then drawing in the cheekbone structure. And then drawing in the teeth first. I wanted to make sure that this section looked a lot like teeth. So I wanted to make sure they had a good rounded shape to them. And then kind of make the spiderweb elements grow out of that. And now that I have the skull-like elements, I'm going in with the lines for the web. I started with mostly the vertical lines first, and a few more elements to make it look more like a skull. After the vertical lines were done, I started adding these smaller horizontal lines in between them, creating a curved-like shape to them. And for the top half of the face, I did sort of a upwards looking U shape, but on the bottom it would be upside down. Then I continued the web-like shape on the neck and chest area. Again, creating the vertical lines first and the overall shape I wanted. And then I'll add the horizontal lines after. And that completes this skull-shaped spiderweb makeup look. I just thought this would be a fun look to do, trying to make the spiderweb into a skull-like shape. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.